Well, you need a chair. A sturdy chair, too. I don't know if this is the sturdiest chair I've got, but let me check it. Hey, a leaf. Yeah, it's pretty good. Okay, so the first exercise we're going to do is stand behind the chair and just lift our knee up as high as the back of the chair or even higher. Stand up tall. Yes, it's raining. That's pretty easy, right? Good. Let's lift it up and push it back and straighten it. So lift it up, push it back and straighten it. Try to stand up tall when you do this. Especially when you're pushing back. Try not to lean forward. That's pretty easy, right? This time we're going to take our leg out to the side. That's pretty easy. Let's try this one. Okay, let's make it a little harder and work the knee a little bit more here. So let's take it out to the side. Bring the knee across the front. Bend your leg. Back out. So out to the side. Across the front. Back out. Ooh, that's tricky. Maybe I need another rest. Sit up straight. Okay, stand up. Now we're going to face the chair. Just tap the seat. You use your arms like this if you want for balance. Now that's pretty good. You're getting wet. Let's have a seat again. All right, turn around. Okay, hold on to the chair. Take one leg straight out behind you and bend it. Straighten and bend. Holding on to the chair, leaning into the chair. Let's try it the other side. Oh, wait a minute, I need to have a little rest. Okay, the other side. Hold on to the back of the chair. All right. Straighten the leg, bend. Straighten, bend. I don't bend very well on that side because I had my knee replaced a few years ago. Well, I hear thunder. Have a little rest. One more exercise. Like lightning too. Anyway, so I'm going to hold on to the chair and put my foot flat on top. Right? So this is flat, heel flat, that's flat. Push the knee into the chair, straighten it. Knee in, straighten the leg. Knee in. I can push in okay. The straightening the leg and leaning into the knee is kind of tricky. I better have another rest. It's really raining now. Better hurry up with this little routine, right? Other leg. Flat on top, flat on the ground. Good. Push the knee into the chair. Straighten it. If you do these exercises every day for a few minutes, your knee will love you. Okay? Well, I think we're done. Over and out. It's raining.